Thank you for joining me in another online
vacation. Where's the online vacation? Can I join? Where's the online vacation?
It's winter season here in the UAE and the weather is amazing. So our family is up for a road trip going to another emirate. Our family has this weird tradition where when we enter a tunnel, we make a wish and hold our breath till the end. And our wish might come true.
Get set. Take a deep breath. And hold.
Did you guys hold your breath the whole way? Yeah. No, you didn't. You all cheated.
It's a nice escape from the city life we're used to seeing on a daily basis. But look, there's still some restaurants on the road. We're almost there at our destination. Hey there everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Vitoverse. Today we are here at Al Rafisa Dam at Khorfakkan in Sharjah near Fujairah. And we're going to have a little break here with the family. And maybe later we're going to eat some food and have some coffee at Al Rafisa Lounge. But for now, let's enjoy the nature. Come on. Al Rafisa Dam has an incredible view of the mountains. Let's go down there. We were able to interact with some wild ducks swimming around in the dam. You can hear me and my sister trying to talk to the ducks. Do you think they understood us or were they just hungry for popcorn? You can also see some fishes hanging by the rocks. Do you see the giant catfish going crazy for food? Time to go back up. Just look at all the greenery here. This place is so family friendly. There are 4 huge playgrounds in 2 different areas, just like this one. Ay, Santino. We're here at Al Rafisa Lounge and we're going to have some lunch. So let's see what's on this menu. We had some chicken soup, a blue mojito, and some biryani rice and grilled chicken. I forgot what the name of the crunchy bread was. Can you tell me in the comments below? Grilled kebabs. And you can even rent some boats for fun. Family photo time! Thank you for joining me for another on-location video here at Al Rafisa Dam, Khorfakkan. And that was it for our quick family getaway. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so that you'll be notified of my future videos. And this is Vito from the Vitoverse, signing off.